Alright, hey everyone, this is DayTraderRockStar for the 10 for 1000 watch list for the new year. Believe it or not, I just did 3 videos and none of the audio came out, so I have to redo them all over again. So hopefully they're good as the first time I did them, and I apologize, I don't know. Anyway, the most frustrating thing in the world is when it's like writing a long letter and then losing it. Anyway, first video is just a little introduction of going into 2010 here. Did I say 2009? See, I'm all messed up. 2010, and we're going to talk about what we see going forward in for the markets, and how we are going to be profitable going into the new year. Markets were up last year. Dow was up about 19%, and the S&P was up about 24.7%, and that's a pretty good return if you're invested in the markets. But as you can see from this about a 6-month chart here, the S&P 500 markets don't go straight up. They move up, they pull back, they move up, they pull back, and kind of continue to move in that type of pattern. Sometimes you'll get consolidation, sometimes you'll get a pullback, sometimes you'll get extended pullbacks, and sometimes you'll get gaps. So there's a lot of different opportunities in the market. The object as a trader, more of a short-term trader, not more as an investor, is to capitalize on these moves. It's easy to invest here and take our profits here and get 10% out of the market, but it would be great to get 5% here, 3% here, another 7% here, and really profit from the market and do this as a business. And that's the job that I bring to the table. That's what I want to do each and every day. And that's what the basis of the radio show is, to show you how to do that and become a successful trader. So this is just the last. This is how we ended off December. Actually, the stochastics were a little oversold here. We're starting to turn over here, and this is a good example of each time the stochastics moved up into an overbought area here, the market tended to pull back here. And we held the 50-period moving average, which is this green line, the EMA. And if you listen to the show, you actually get to learn all about these indicators and how I use them to time market buys and sells. And basically just an overview, and this is just a basic introductory video because it's going to go out to a lot of different people, is time in the market specifically, knowing when to buy, pulling back when the stochastics are giving me an entry, combined with other indicators being trend lines, moving averages, and also learning how to sell, and also learning how to use the divergence in the market, where stochastics might be given a signal and the price level will be given a signal. And here's a good example of the market going sideways here, and the stochastics grinding back down here and getting back down into an oversold level. And then from there, that's a bullish indicator. It's a bullish divergence. And from there, you can see a little move up here in the markets. Now, again, it takes time to become an experienced trader, and experience is a key word in this market. Once you have experience, then a lot of things fall back into place. You want to have patience. You want to have a lot of different attributes to make a successful trader. And I will bring these to you each and every day on the radio show. And this being the first video of the new year, I figure I'll do a bunch about 3 videos, one being a little introductory, and then we'll talk about the 10 for 1000 watch list, and we'll show you some great setups as well as some great education in the market. And each one of the 10 for 1000 watch lists will be an educational video in itself, meaning showing you how to determine these entries, where to find your profits, where to take your profits, and where to learn from the entries, and how to continue to profit in the market. Remember, the market's going to pull back, and when the market's pulling back, you don't want to be fighting and trying to go long here. You want to be going long when the market's moving up. You want to be going either flat or going short when the market's pulling back. Now, there's areas of choppiness here, and again, those times in the market, it's probably safer to be more conservative and get to those sectors that are showing good relative strength, which is a term you'll hear a lot. And again, you'll learn all this. So basically, right now the market's showing us a little pullback, and again, patience, 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 because the setups I'm going to show you today are great setups, and some of them are not set up quite yet, and it might happen in a week, it might happen in 2 weeks, but it's important to have a detailed focus list going into each day Each day we have to have a focus list. Each day when I come on the radio, each day I have a focus list in front of me, stocks that I review each night, and I look and I say, all right, this one's pulling back to a good support level. It also has some other indicators underneath this. It also has an oversold indicator here. So I might be looking to buy a stock at this level where other stocks might not be setting up there. So that's the important thing of having a focus list. And I would say I go through maybe 100 to 300 stocks a night just looking at stocks, and I try to get a focus list of about 20 to 30 stocks and narrow those down to about 10 stocks each day I really want to concentrate on. And from those 10 stocks, maybe I'll jump in 2 or 3 of those. And again, every day the market gives us a better opportunity, another opportunity. So what you missed today, you're gonna find there's more opportunities lining up outside in the following days here. So that's an important aspect of being a successful trader, is having the patience to let these stocks set up. And you're going to see these. You're going to learn about the trend lines. You're going to learn about the support levels, and you're going to see the setups and how high the probability is going to greatly increase for a successful trade as long as you can wait for that price level to come down to your entry level. So that's what we want to base on. So I hope everyone had a great New Year's week. I was off the whole week. I'm out here in Oregon. I'll be back on Tuesday on the radio. Big shout out to everyone on the site, because I haven't been on the radio. And I hope everyone's had a great trading week with GTO. I'm sure he's doing a great job. I have really not paid attention to the market. It was actually good to spend some time with the family and take some time off. But I'm really raring to get back into New York and starting up the machines again and getting back into the swing of things. So I'll see you Tuesday morning. I'm arriving tomorrow night. So that's about it. We're going to jump off to the next video. I'm going to start the 10 for 1,000 watch list. I got some great stocks to look forward to. We're also going to try to do a video on the housing sector, which I believe again has given us another opportunity. We had a nice housing video. The housing sector, called the housing sector, a few weeks ago on a nice pullback and a nice run. And this past week, it's actually pulled back, and it's pulled back to an interesting technical level, which I'm going to bring to your attention on one of the videos coming up. Also, I have a lot of stocks here to go over, everything from Joy Global to Intel to Qualcomm, GNK, EAT, Joseph Bank, again, Dell, Dow, a lot of different stocks. So let's get that kicked off. And again, for those new people out there who are not familiar with the site, it's DayTraderRockStar.com. You can tune in every day, see live market trading. Nowhere else you're going to see this type of education and type of commentary each day on the market. You'll hear it live. You'll see the setups. You'll see the live video screen, and you'll see the trades being taken. So invite everyone to come on by DayTraderRockStar.com and enjoy it. And for all the members out there, got a lot of great things out there coming this year. And I look forward to talking to everyone on Tuesday. And that's about it. So let's start off with the next video. It'll be posted on the site in a few minutes as I, again, do this one more time. I already finished these twice, so I'll be back with you.